The Sleepy Volcano's birthday. High on a green island lived Lani, who studied volcanoes. She wore a bright yellow hat and carried a special notebook everywhere. Her best friend was Puffley, a cuddly lava pup with fur that glowed like warm embers. Puffley had tiny paws that never got hot and a tail that wagged when he was happy. One morning, Puffley's ears perked up. "Lani, Lani, today is Sleepy Volcano's birthday," he barked softly. Sleepy Volcano was the gentlest volcano on the island. It hadn't rumbled in 100 years. Instead of hot lava, it grew the prettiest flowers around its rim. Lani smiled and patted Puffley's glowing fur. "You're right. We should bring Sleepy Volcano a birthday gift." They packed a picnic basket with star-shaped cookies and sweet berry juice. Puffley carried his favorite soft blanket to share with their volcano friend. Up the winding path they climbed. The air smelled like cinnamon and rain. Butterflies with rainbow wings danced around them. Puffley's paws left tiny glowing footprints that faded like fireflies. "Do you think Sleepy Volcano will be awake?" whispered Puffley. When they reached the top, they found Sleepy Volcano yawning. Its crater was lined with fluffy moss that looked like a cozy bed. "Happy birthday," called Lani. Sleepy Volcano smiled, making the ground hum a gentle tune that tickled their feet. Puffley carefully spread his blanket on a smooth rock. Lani arranged the star cookies in a circle. "Make a wish," she told Sleepy Volcano. The volcano closed its crater eyes and wished. Suddenly, tiny sparkles floated up from the center of the crater. The sparkles became floating lanterns that glowed blue and purple. "Birthday magic!" gasped Puffley, his tail wagging so fast it looked like a comet. The lanterns drifted around them, lighting up the evening sky as the sun began to set. They ate cookies and told stories until stars appeared. Sleepy Volcano shared tales of ancient times when dinosaurs roamed the island. Puffley curled up against the warm volcano side, his fur glowing softer as he grew sleepy. Lani wrapped her arm around Puffley. "Time to say goodnight to our birthday friend." Sleepy Volcano gave a contented sigh that sent gentle puffs of lavender-scented steam into the night air. "Thank you for the best birthday," it whispered. As they headed home under the moonlight, Puffley's paws dragged sleepily. Lani carried him the last few steps. "Just like Sleepy Volcano, it's time for all good pups to rest," she murmured. "And just like you, it's time to close your eyes and dream of gentle volcanoes and birthday wishes coming true."